In this lesson, we want to study the equations with fractions. So we have defined a fraction in various lessons. Takadefine a fraction exclusively, but discuss what we called the anatomy of a fraction. Saka, just to recap, a fraction is made up mainly of three parts. We have this, which is called what? I can give you just one of the names. So A anogona kunzi numerator kana kuti chi? Good. Then B anogona kunzi chi? Denominator kana kuti chi? Good. Then answer yatinowana panapa, if this is equal to C, C angachinzi chi? Good. So this is the anatomy of a fraction. Number yatinayo pamusoro or term yatinayo pamusoro ndiyo numerator kana kuti dividend. Number or term yatinayo pazasi idenominator kana kuti divisor. Then the answer we get from division inonzi quotient. What we now want to discuss is what an equation is. So the word equation gives us a hint. Something must be equal to something. That is why we say we have what is called the right-hand side and the left-hand side. Saka, an equation is also made up of three things. The left-hand side should be equal to the right-hand side. Saka tofunga kuva ne something chiri ku left chiri equal to something chiri ku right. But when we are talking about equations with fractions, kana ari ma equations asi aine ma fractions, we expect either the left hand side or the right hand side or both to be fractional. That is what we expect. Saka kana tine a fraction in the left hand side, kana kuti tine a fraction in the right hand side, kana kuti tine a fraction on both sides, the left and the right, then we have what is called an equation with fractions, kana kuti togona kuita a fractional equation. But what is important when noting this, kuti when this happens, we have to invoke, and mona zvinoitwa ku magic zvezvia, ma incantations, kuti kana vanhu vachiroya ndika pane zvinotaurwa. Ndosaka kuchivanhu chinzi usangozivisa vanhu vese mutupa wako nezita rako, kureva family name, surname, because kana pakutaurwa zvinhu handika zita rako rikazikanwa kana kuti something chinokurepresenta. So we are also going to invoke and an incantation, and that incantation is called clearing the fractions. This is a very central method yamunofanirwa kutoziva in the back of your head whenever you see a fraction appearing on an equation. Clearing of the fractions. There is no better way of learning this rather than to use examples. So let us now work on our first question. But when doing that, I also need confirmation. Are we together? Do you have a question? We want to answer that question in this lesson. Question yedu iri kuti solve the equation 1 over 3a minus 1 is equal to 2 over a plus 1 minus 3 over 8. Saka question hiyo tinoianza say we are given 1 over 3a minus 1 is equal to 2 over a plus 1 minus 3 over 8. So chatinofanirwa kutanga kuita panapa, we should group like terms. We group like terms. So magrupiro atinoita, tinogona kuendesa 2 over a plus 1 kuside kuno. But I think it wise kuti tiendese minus 3 over 8 kuside uko, kuti ive positive. Then tobva tazoendesa 1 over 3a minus 1 kuside uko, kuitira kuti tidhile nemapositives. Saka tikazviita toda kuendesa minus 3 over 8 kuleft hand side. Kuti ende ikoko inosvika iri chi 3 over 8. So 3 over 8 iri equal to 2 over a plus 1. Tikaendesa 1 over 3a minus 1 kuside kunoku, inonoita minus 1 over 3a minus 1. Because kunoku yanga iri positive. Paya transfer ichienda to the other side of the equal sign, which is the right hand side, yasvika iri negative. So tadaro manje, takufanirwa kuita sei? Panapa takufanirwa kuita simplify the equation. So how do we simplify the equation? Masimplifyiro atinoita ndeyekuti tinofanirwa kungosolva ku right hand side. Tinofanirwa kusubtracta mafractions aya. So tinozviita sei? Saka we have 3 over 8 is equal to 2 over a plus 1 minus 1 over 3a minus 1, like that. We have to find a common denominator, which is simply going to be the product of our two denominators, like that. Saka panapa tofunga kuisa futi mabrackets kuitira kuti zvive easier kusolva. Bracket ra a plus 1 rikadivide into the common denominator. A plus 1 na a plus 1 zvinochekana, tinosara tiina 3a minus 1. So bracket ra 3a minus 1 ndo richamultiply 2 unowu kuti tive na 2 multiplying 3a minus 1. Toataisa minus yedu tichitora ino ishi. Then bracket ra 3a minus 1 into the common denominator, mabrackets aya ochekana, tosara tine bracket ra a plus 1 richamultiply na 1 ari panapa. So 1 minus 1 multiplying a plus 1. Kuno kutoramba tinyora 3 over 8 is equal to. So tadaro manje, what we have to do is tinofanirwa kusolva kunoku. 3 over 8 is equal to 2 times 3a is 6a, 2 times minus 1 the minus 2, minus 1 times a the minus a, minus 1 times 1 the minus 1. So panapa pakakosha, minus 1 times a, that's minus a, because it's a negative multiplying a positive. The same happens pana minus 1 times plus 1, it's also minus 1, because a negative is multiplying a positive. This all is over this common denominator, which we should not simplify. Kureva kuti hatifanirwi kuexpanda mabrackets pasi panapa. It's 3a minus 1. So tripano, we are going to further simplify the numerator on our right hand side. Saka we can rearrange panapa, it becomes 6a, starting with positives, minus a, then it's minus 2 minus 1. This is over the common denominator, a plus 1, 3a minus 1. Tadaro, 3 over 8 is equal to 6a minus a the 5a, and minus 2 minus 1 the minus 3. This is over a plus 1, 3a minus 1. Saka tiri panapa manje, we mainly have two methods. Tine method yekutanga nemethod yechipiri. Method yedu yekutanga tinogona kuiti clearing the fractions. Dostarayo. This is our first method, clearing the fractions. Tinogona kushandisa zvakare the method of cross multiplication. Saka ini ndichaita ese panapa. But imimi you have to pick your poison like always. So starting with clearing the fractions, we have 3 over 8 is equal to 5a minus 3 over bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1. It's wiser kuisa 5a minus 3 mu bracket zvakare, so that we treat that as a compartment, cannot as a unit. So 3 apo. In order for us to be able to clear the fractions, we need the common denominator across all fractions inside the equation. Saka ma denominators edu pama fractions ese ari mu equation iyo ndi 8 bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1. So our common denominator is going to be the product of all denominators. So what is the product there? 8a plus 1 na 3a minus 1. This should multiply ku left uko kuna 3 over 8. This is equal to again 8a plus 1 na 3a minus 1, multiplying also ku side kunoku kuna 5a minus 3 over bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1, like that. So zviri apo manje a uno ushu akuchekana na a uyo, then bracket a plus 1 rochekana ne bracket rino iri, bracket 3a minus 1 rochekana ne bracket iro. Kureva kuti at the end of the day panapa tinenge tina 3 multiplying a plus 1 3a minus 1. Tango multiply zvese zviri kunumerator. This is going to be equal to 8 multiplying 5a minus 3. Ngatigumire panapa. Before I simplify any further, let us now do the method of cross multiplication. So maitiro tinoita cross multiplication. Tina 3 over 8 is equal to mu bracket 5a minus 3 over bracket a plus 1 ne bracket 3a minus 1. Saka this denominator is going to be multiplying that numerator. This denominator also multiplying that numerator. Kureva kuti at the end of the day, we have 3 multiplying a plus 1, 3a minus 1 is equal to 8 multiplying the bracket of 5a minus 3. And kuisa ma brackets kwakakosha, because kunotiratidza what is important. 8 has to multiply 5a. 8 are multiply the whole numerator, which is 5a minus 3. So that is the importance of Kisama brackets. But if you are to make a comparison, you are going to find out 3 multiplying a plus 1, 3a minus 1 is equal to 8 multiplying 5a minus 3. Stage yatava inoi through cross multiplication yakangofanana in this stage through clearing the fractions. So if you are an advocate of efficiency in your mathematics, correct modama methods are as simple as possible, taking you to the answer in the shortest possible amount of time. You then have to learn how to cross multiply. Because Paco cross multiplier, we basically have 2 methods. Actually 2 steps. Step number 1 and step number 2. But after clearing the fraction, we have step 1 along step number 2, and then finally a step number 3. So we have to progress from this stage. Progressing, tinenge takutora 3a plus 1, 3a minus 1 is equal to 8, 5a minus 3. Takuitora iyi manje, takungoda kudi kuisolva, but tinoisolva sei? Kunoku tinogona kutanga tarimova mabrackets panapa, kureva kuti inge iri 3 then times a then 3 times 1 then product yatawana toimultiply nekunoku. But the safest thing to do panapa kuita compartmentalize this part, kureva kuti ngatitange taexpanda mabrackets tozomultiplya ne constant. Saka kunoku tinoshandisa mabrackets aya anonzi maboxed brackets. So 3 panapa tava kuexpanda mukati munomu ichaita a multiplying 3a minus 1 plus 1 multiplying 3a minus 1, like that. This is equal to 8 times 5a the 40a, then 8 times minus 3 the minus 8 16 24. Saka kunoku tatoremova mabrackets tapedza nekuright. Ngatirambe tichisolva kuleft. So kunoku tiri kuti 3 then a times 3a the 3a squared, a times minus 1 the minus a, 1 times 3a, that's plus 3a, and 1 times minus 1 the minus 1, like that. This is equal to 40a minus 24. Then that being done, takuda kusolva zviri mukati memabrackets munomu first. Saka panapa it's just going to be, let us say we want to rearrange starting with positives, obeying order also. So it's 3a squared plus 3a minus a, then minus 1. This is equal to 40a minus 24. Saka panapa it's 3, then we have 3a squared, 3a minus a, that's plus 2a minus 1. This is equal to 40a minus 24. So what do we do pano? We have to multiply 3 ari kunze kunoku with every term inside the bracket. In essence, we have to remove the brackets. So 3 times 3a, 3 times 3, that is 369. Saka panapa we have 9a squared. Then 3 times 2a, that's plus 6a. 3 times minus 1, the minus 3. This is equal to 40a minus 24. Then tiri panapa takuda kuita arrange everything to the left, so that panapa we have 9a squared and it's plus 6a. Tikaunza 40a kuside uku inosvika iri minus 40a. Then tikaunza minus 24 kuside uku inosvika iri plus 24. Then minus 3 inoramba iri kuno. This is equal to 0. So tatransfer 40a ikasvika iri negative. Tikatransfer minus 24 a negative ikasvika kuiri positive. Ndobva tangonyora zviri kuno uku sezvazvingori. Saka panapa takuti 9a squared, then it's plus, what is, actually is it plus? Don't be quick like zvandanga ndaita. Tikati 6a minus 40a, tinowana minus 34a. It's a negative. Then panapa, what is 24 minus 3? That is plus 21. This is equal to 0. Saka patasvika panapa manje, tatova pa point of no return. Hatina imwe nzira yatichaita kunze kwekutofactoriza this quadratic equation. Saka pakufactorize, you can go and check the video we did on how to factorize. Rather, you should be multiplying the first and the last terms. Seeing, of course, kuti this part of the equation is written in the correct standard form of a quadratic expression, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. Yatakatsanangura in layman terms, tichiti zvinoreva kuti kana tichinyora a quadratic equation kana expression, tinofanirwa kutanga neine the highest order kana kuti highest power, which is 2. Tabva pane ina 2 panapa, we go pane ina 1 to the power 1, then lastly tongopedzisira nenumber. Saka tinotanga neina squared, tongoenda pane ingori nevariable unknown, which is a, then towatangopedzisa nenumber yakamira yega. So what do we get? What do we get if we multiply 21 times 9? 9 times 1, that is 9. 9 times 2, that is 18. Kuroti panapa tiri kuwana 189a squared, because we are multiplying 9a squared times 21. Tiri panapa, we need factors of 189a squared such that tikamultiply mafactors aya anofanirwa kutipa 189a squared, asi tikamaedda oro kumasubtractor anofanirwa kutipa minus 34a. Saka tinomawana sei? Mashandiro atinoita panapa ndeyekuti we are going to do this by trial and error. So we take 189. Tobva tati, let us look at factors dzinopinda muna 189. We can start off with 3. Tikati 3 into 3 ndi 1. Ko 3 into 18 ndiani? Ndi 6. And 3 into 9 ndi 3. So zviri kureva panapa ndezvekuti tikati 63 times 3 tinowana 189. Izvi munozviunderstanda kana mukaconsider the relationship between division and multiplication, and we have demonstrated it in many ways. Chero mukatraya kutoti 63 times 3 ichakupai 189. But 63 na 3 hatina nzira yatinogona kumultiply these two numbers 63 and 3 such that somehow we get minus 34a. So let us go to the next factor, which is 7. Tikati 7 into 71. What is 7 into 18? That is 2. Because 7 times 2 is 14. So the remainder becomes 15, 16, 17, 18. It becomes 4. And 7 into 49 is 7. Saka 27 times 7 inotipa 189. But we can see that 27 na 7, we can manipulate them in such a way that somehow we end up with minus 34a. Saka ma factors edu are going to be 27a na 7a. Ma factors anaya, tikati minus 27a minus 7a tinowana minus 34a. Because we are just adding negatives, our answer is a negative. But tikati minus 27a times minus 7a tinowana 189a squared. Because we are multiplying negatives, we have a positive. Saka mafactors edu aya satisfy ma requirements ema factors atinoda. Tama multiplier akatipa 189a squared, tikama adda kana kusubtractor akatipa minus 34a. So what we do here is we are going to just substitute my factors to replace minus 34a. So it's basically like this. This is equal to 0. Then tadaro manje, we are just going to be grouping things. So group up anapa, group up. We factor out 9 but factor out 9 yega here. Saka 9 is a common factor pamanumbers atinawo, but we can also see that a is a common unknown pamavariables atinawo. So we are going to factor out 9a. Here we are left out with a. 9a times a, that is 9a squared. Then panapa, what do we multiply 9a with to get minus 27a? It's basically minus 3. Minus 3 times a, it's minus 27a. Panapa that minus. We factor out 7. Minus 7 times a, do not minus 7a, and minus 7 times minus 3 ndo inotipa 21, because a negative multiplying a negative gives us a positive. You have to be careful here. This is equal to 0. So at the end of the day, we collect terms arikunze, which is 9a minus 7. We collect a bracket a minus 3. This should be equal to 0. But taita zvataita izvi zvinoreva izvo kuti therefore 9a minus 7 iri equal to 0 or a minus 3 iri equal to 0. Principle inoshanda apa iri very interesting, because now ingoriponde kuti if we are having two numbers multiplying each other to give us 0, one of them should be 0. Kana tine manamba maviri ari kumultiply tisingazive, a times b is equal to 0. It is mathematically astute to assume that either of a or b is going to be 0. Saka panapa it's either a ndiye 0 and b can be any number. B can be a million, b can be half, 3/4, 3/, whatever. Kana a angori 0, then also b can be 0 and a can be any number, so that the product becomes 0. So tashandisa that presumption, tichadzoka panapa toda kusolve this side, which is just going to be 9a is equal to 7. If we divide both sides na 9, we have a being equal to 7/9. And tikauya kunoku, a is just going to be equal to 3, like this. So aya ndo anenge ari maanswers edu. A is equal to 7/9 or 3. But before to make this conclusion, we return back to our question. Mfunzo wedu wati wangoti tiite solve the equation, and we have solved the equation. Tikaona kuti a can have two values, 7/9 or 3. And if you want to provide a proof of our method, a is equal to 7/9 or 3. You can substitute 7/9 into this equation, kana substitute 3. Maybe I might help out with substituting 3. Imimo substitute 7/9 mega kuti mungoona kuti answer yedu iri correct here. Saka tikasubstitute 3 pese pana a toisa 3, it's 1/3 times 3 minus 1 is equal to 2/3 plus 1 minus 3/8. Saka panapa it's 1/9 minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 2/4 minus 3/8. So 1/8 iri equal here to 2/4 minus 3/8. Kureva kuti panapa our common denominator ndi 8, 1/8. Saka tikati 4 into 8 ndiyani ndi 2. 2 times 2 ndiyani ndi 4. So it's 4 panapa minus 8 into 8, 1 times 3 ndiyani ndi 3. And you can see kuti 1/8 eventually shall equal to 1/8, because 4 minus 3 ndi 1. Done. Saka ndaprova kuti answer ya 3 iri correct. Imimi uchiprova iwo kuti 7/9 iri correct. Ikasava correct, come with it directly to me or muma comments, and we see kuti is it that your proof is wrong, or it is actually that our mathematics somewhere it's wrong. So this concludes our first question. If you have any questions, come directly or utilize the comments section. Let us now go to our second question. In this question, tiri kunzi tiite solve the equation 3 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 2 over x squared minus x minus 6. Saka tinoisolva sei? We are given 3 over x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 2 over x squared minus x minus 6. What we are going to do here is to consider x squared minus 5x plus 6. That is what we are going to consider. Kuconsider kwatiri kuita kuti tiri kuda kutanga tambofactorize our denominators tozonomaita input into that original expression kuti zvive easier kuzvisolva. But you can opt to do this another way, but I think this is the best foot forward. So panapa, this is already in the correct order. Tatanga na squared, tikangoenda pana x, tikapesera nenumber. We want to multiply the first and the last terms. 6 times x squared is 6x squared. We need factors of 6x squared such that tikama multiply anotipa 6x squared, tikama add or subtractor anotipa minus 5x. And I cannot think of anything but 3x na x, 3x na 2x. So apa pandashanza angu experience, but you can experiment with cos6 na 1, you can do all those experiments, but rather it's going to be minus 3x minus 2x, because minus 3x minus 2x ndo inotipa minus 5x, asi minus 3x times minus 2x inotipa 6x squared. So solving further, it's going to be x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Then we compartmentalize. Tongoisa ma brackets. We factor out x panapa, chasara tina x minus 3. We factor out minus 2 panapa, again chasara tina x minus 3. Panapa taita say x they are common, x times x and x squared, x times minus 3 and minus 3x. Then panapa minus 2 they are common, minus 2 times x ndio minus 2x, and minus 2 times minus 3 ndi plus 6. Zviri mabrackets medu zvafanana, kureva kuti we just take the outer terms to make a bracket and pick a bracket like this. Tinenge tatopedza consider that. Touya futi panapa toda consider x squared minus x minus 6. Kureva kuti takuda kudhila nechi denominator ye fraction iri right. We multiply the first and the last minus 6x squared. Factors of minus 6x squared such that tikama multiply anotipa minus 6x squared, tikama add anotipa minus x. So apo tichatry ma factors api. What if we look at 3x na 2x? Then panapa toisa minus, apo toisa plus. Minus 3x plus 2x ndio minus x. As minus 3x times 2x the minus 6x squared. So there also you have to practice a lot to be able to see those things. Then if we are going to be replacing things like that, then toisa ma brackets. Pekutanga we factor out x, inobva yaita chi x minus 3, panapa it's plus 2, munomuita futi x minus 3. X times x, x squared, x times minus 3 minus 3x, 2 times x ndi 2x and 2 times minus 3 ndiyo minus 6. Totora zviri kunze, that's x plus 2, x minus 3, like that. So zvakuchiitika panapa manje ndezvekuti takuchifanirwa kuchireplace 3 over, instead of kunyora kuti x squared minus 5x plus 6 tonyora kuti x minus 2 x minus 3. This is equal to, panapa tobata ti 2 over, instead of kunyora kuti x squared minus x minus 6 takungonyora kuti bracket ra x plus 2 ne bracket ra x minus 3, like that. Saka since in our first question tashandisa methods esa ari to cross multiplication ne method yeku clear fraction, I think panapa we are also going to do the same. So tichati clearing the fraction toda kuisa kuside kuno, saka tino clear say fraction, we are going to pick a common denominator pama denominators edu ari mukati me fraction. So we see panapa kuti we have bracket ra x minus 2, tine bracket ra x minus 3, tine bracket ra x plus 2, toita kuti bracket ra x minus 3. Our common denominator is going to be ma brackets ese anofanirwa kuva represented but not repeated. Kureva kuti tinge tina x minus 2, x minus 3, x plus 2. Saka taisa rino iri x minus 2, tikaisa iri x minus 3, tikanoisa iri x plus 2, asi hatina kuisa iri nekuti kunenge kuri kudzokorodza x minus 3 titori naye. This is multiplying the fraction on the left, x minus 2, x minus 3 panapa. This is equal to the same common denominator, multiplying 2 over x plus 2, x minus 3. So x minus 2 yakunochekana na x minus 2 kuno, x minus 3 yakuchekana na x minus 3 kuno, x plus 2 yakunochekana na x plus 2 uyo, x minus 3 uyo yakuchekana na x minus 3 uko. Kureva kuti panapa tichasara tina 3 multiplying x plus 2 is equal to 2 multiplying x minus 2. Ndo zvatinowana nekuclear fraction. Tikada kushandisa the method of cross multiplication, imi hamushandisi yese, you choose inokuitirai. The method of cross multiplication, panapa we have 3 over x minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to, apapo we have 2 over x plus 2 and x minus 3, like that. Saka method of cross multiplication inoshanda panapa because tiri kumita ma conditions are necessary for cross multiplication. There are conditions wherein cross multiplication can be used. Ma conditions aya, they are these. We should have a situation where we have a over b is equal to c over d. Tofanirwa kuva nema fractions, fraction kuno ne fraction uko, and cannot at least one fraction. Then tofanirwa kuva ne equal sign. Kunoku kofanirwa kuva ne one fraction, uko kovawo zvakare ne one fraction. Saka tine one fraction on both sides, ku left ne ku right, and an equal sign pakati. That is the only condition where cross multiplication works. Saka applying it panapa, this numerator multiplying that denominator, this numerator multiplying that denominators, zvinoreva kuti 3 is multiplying bracket x plus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 2 multiplying bracket x minus 2, x minus 3. So as you can see panapa kuti Method yekuclear mafractions yatiunza at a better place than method inoi, because tinogona kuarrive at that place nekungodivhaidha masides sr2 nebracket rax minus 3, because bracket rax minus 3 richacheka kunokurwa rachekawo. Saka chasara tina 3 bracket rax plus 2 is equal to 2 bracket rax minus 2. Tasvika pa the same place. So panapa it is your onus to choose which method you want to go with. Tiri panapa kuisolva kuchanetsi 3 times x ndiani the 3x 3 times 2 ndiani plus 6 is equal to 2 times x ndiani the 2x and 2 times minus 2 ndiani the minus 4, kureva kuti 3x minus 2x inge iri equal to minus 4 minus 6, andika 2x yaenda kukava negative 6 ikaenda kukava negative, saka panapa x iri equal to minus 10. That's it. Tatopedza. So that is what we are expected to do. If you have any questions, please use the comments section. Can contact me directly on the numbers which are going to appear on your screen shortly. Thank you.